How do I find the IP address of a virtual machine using VMware Fusion? Can I determine the IP of a virtual machine using VMware Fusion without actually entering the operating system running on the virtual machine? I'm looking for a menu option, command line, or otherwise that I can issue against the virtual image with the VMware Fusion software itself. Thanks, Adrian.
Short answer, no. Long answer, no but maybe. An IP address is purely the responsibility of an OS. Therefore, the virtual framework that holds the OS has no idea about the TCP IP stack within unless there are symbiotic additions to the framework such as Hyper-V and VMware's additional guest tools, thanks to tata.spiat. is in the comments below. It's not much different than wanting to browse the files on a VM without starting it up first. Technically, if the VM relies on DHCP, you could search your DHCP server, likely your LAN's router, for the last lease that was handed out to the MAC address of the virtual NIC to get a good idea of what the IP would probably be the next time it launches. That's assuming that same IP wasn't handed out to another device in between when you looked at the lease history and when the VM started up.
VMware provides, not surprisingly, a built-in tool for this, Vrun. It's under /applications/vmwarefusion.app/content/library/Vrun, although it has moved around in other Fusion releases a bit.
Here's a tip in case it helps anyone. Install a VI daemon on the VM. This allows you to connect via hostname, vname.local, where vname is the name of your virtual machine. In my case, the VM's name is bare metal and on the host I can run. No need to know the VM's IP. Smile!
As Mikhail T. said, because VMware is providing the NATing, it ought to be able to tell us what addresses it is currently NATing for. Indeed it does. In my VMware Fusion 6 installation, the vnet DHCPD daemon writes its leases to the files /var/db/vmware/net dhcpd-vnet.leases, where x is 1 and 8. Empirically Smile I established that it is vnet 8 that I should look for. Here is an excerpt from the lease file, /var/db/vmware/net dhcpd-vnet8.leases. The client hostname is the name of the VM and the number after the word lease is its IP. You can parse these entries or just simply look at the most recent ones. Make sure the lease you are looking at is still valid.
If you want to support JHonNet, there are the consider subscribing